So what are we doing?
We are doing a Q&A.
A Q&A.
It's like a game.
Not quite.
I'm Maxime,
And I'm Richard.
and we are Les Ensembliers.
Because you have a question for me?
Yes, I've got a question for you.
Don't look at the cue card. Just kidding.
What has been your favorite project?
I really love decorating. So
Yeah.
I would say that it's the lake house Putton a long time ago.
Really?
Yeah. Because it was a big home, again, a summer home, and it was everything that it means to have chic lake house.
No, but
And it's still to this day. Everybody that walks into that house loves that house.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
What would be your favorite one? Don't say that one.
No. I'm just trying to think. I would say Red Pat. I think Red Pat was a conversion of 3 condos, one on top of the others, into one unit. It was really nice in a sugar factory with a lot of details.
But it took us
we
out of our
survived.
comfort zone also because
Yes,
the clients
definitely.
were really hard-edged, modern, and they wanted something that felt industrial.
They kept pushing us, and now that, yes,
great.
and we,
Yeah.
that was
We're still friends.
yes.
Okay, my turn. Who does Zach prefer? Well, did you really have to ask?
Oh God, this
mommy.
guy. Yeah, mommy. I'm just the guy who go to outside with him. That's really my use.
No, he goes for kisses and he goes for hugs, but yeah, Zach is, I think I baby Zach a little, so yeah.
Favorite fashion designer or brand?
That's easy enough. That's Yves Saint Laurent.
Yes.
Oscar de la Renta, but Yves Saint Laurent first. Your take on it?
No, I don't have any opinion on
Good
those
answer.
things.
Um,
Favorite city to travel to?
Still New York. Will always be New York.
Yeah, I would say so too.
I know you love Paris. I love traveling in Europe for holidays and places that we haven't still seen. I want to see Japan and
yes,
Kyoto,
yes.
and I want to be living in the outskirts of Kyoto and understanding how they live. That's my next goal. Poutine or tourtière?
Oh my God.
Why ask? So as much as I'm Quebec, I would never be tourtière.
No, tourtière is, if you ask a question at different time of the year, let's say between December 18 and January 1st, you
Oh
get
God,
the
we
answer.
make so many tourtières,
the
yeah.
rest of the year, it's
That's
the
probably
other
why I
answer.
don't want to have tourtière.
No, the tourtières are great, but just at Christmas.
Yeah, but poutine is every day. Where have you lived? Which was the best city to live in? So I think we are, in my book, and I say it often, I think we're the luckiest people to live in Montreal. Montreal is fabulous.
Nice architecture, great culture. Obviously, the food scene
Easy
is
to
great.
live.
Easy to live, affordable, and at the same
Secure,
time
it's
close to many places. So
And a very open city
Yes.
and very inclusive city.
Yeah.
You can be whoever you want to be in Montreal.
because we've been in many other cities that we
Coming
never
back.
thought how Montreal. We were lucky to be in Montreal. It's, you have to compare with other things to find out that your home ground is the best. But obviously, it is.
Yeah. Best season to be at the farmhouse. Every day of the year. Best season is obviously, I think, spring and summer.
I would say fall. I think fall is all about the
So much work.
harvesting. Yes, it's so much work. But it's the result of all the hard work. You see all the blooms, you see all the harvesting.
I like
You-
spring for the same reason. Spring is
Yeah,
we're planting the
seeding,
seed.
exactly.
We're doing everything that's going to come to life. It's going to,
Yes.
and you hear the birds coming back. Fall, you're harvesting, but everything is coming to an end. Which to me, when it's spring, it's coming to.
But
to a
you're
beginning.
happy to rest after. It's also that.
Any resting time at the farm is the best time for me.
November.
Exactly.
There's nothing to do. That's the only month. There's nothing happening in November.
Minimalist or maximalist?
Well, it's both.
I think we're
Both.
really smack
Yes.
center in the middle of it.
Do you dress casual every day or you dress? It's really like a matter of depends on the project, depends on the clients, it depends on the space.
I like things to feel like they are in their place, that they're necessities. They're not about stuff that you don't use.
Like your collection of teacups.
Very
the
different
old-
things.
yes,
Very different
exactly.
subjects.
You
He
know,
calls me old English lady.
Yes, I do.
Because when I
I
go
do.
antiquing and I find stuff, and
we
I don't
we
need
have a
this-
collection of teacups, but we don't drink tea. It's just very practical.
People still will come. They won't drink
We
tea.
we don't have a guest either, so it's just really there's really no use of those.
But they're
things.
pretty. Is there a color or print that you don't like to use? It's funny enough, in our studio, the conversation we've been having in the last couple of months is we don't like red, but we use red for the last year like crazy. Everything that's from terracotta to whatever, reds are part of what we love, which we never did, honestly. What do you love best about your job? I love making homes. I really do love making people happy in their homes. I think the energy behind a project and behind the team and behind making it happen, from beginning to the end, that's what I love. But I don't like all of the construction process. I don't like all the mess. I don't like
the aggravation, the everyday aggravation.
Everything that you love, I don't.
Well, I think what because it's a tough job, but fundamentally, when you think that clients come to us with one dream that they're gonna save money for a long time to build their dream, and we get every day to build the dreams of all our clients. So that's for me. It's always like to say when I'm in a bitchy mood, I'm so angry. I'm saying, you know what? Every of them they save to do this with us, and I don't even know why I'm emotional, but it's just too much work. Sorry.
Well, I know you love your job.
Yeah.
I love my job, which is very different, but I know you love your job and you care.
Yeah.
Stop crying.
Sorry about that.
Can you believe that you actually cried on TV? What the hell are you doing this?
I don't know why this happened. Can we take this again?